I'm about to share with y'all the only strategy that you guys need to be able to turn $1,000 into over $100,000 very easily with meme coins in this crypto bull market. I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to find these meme coins before they blow up, how to see exactly when they're going to blow up so you can enter in at the best time possible, how to capitalize on it and end up repeating this cycle so that you can turn such a small amount into literally an unlimited amount. Last bull run, I was able to turn $1,000 into over $200,000 5 times doing this same exact strategy, and I'm going to share it with you guys in this video right here. So if you're excited, smash the like button, and I highly suggest you guys stick all the way through to the end so that you don't miss a single point. And without further ado, let's hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into it, I have to let you guys know that I just opened up more spots for CryptFi. What CryptFi is where you'll get access to all of my crypto alerts. As soon as I buy any coin before it 5, 10, 100, or even 1,000x, I send it out into CryptFi, let you guys know exactly what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, why I'm buying it, so that you guys can ultimately buy these coins with me. Last month or 2 months ago, I sent out OPSEC, a coin called OPSEC, which did over 150x at that time. And right now it's up over 280x from when we entered. That's how I was able to turn $2,000 into over $300,000. It's obviously a lot more now. And I sent that same exact play out into CryptFi before it blew up. Obviously, as soon as I entered it, I sent out into CryptFi. But then also with CryptFi, you get access to my entire crypto course where it'll teach you exactly how to do everything that I do and find these coins before they blow up so that you can do it by yourself. So this is extremely limited. I only open up spots sometimes. If you guys watch my recent videos, you guys know it was closed down already. But if you click the link down below right now inside the description or inside the comment section down below, join the wait list and you'll be allowed to get inside CryptFi and get access to all of my crypto plays before they blow up. Last week, we literally had a 10x. The week, that same week, we had a 3x. We had a 4x on another coin called She. We had a 6x on ZKLK. I send out bangers. That's all I'm freaking saying. I'm trying to remember in my head. We just been absolutely killing inside CryptFi. So if any of that sounds interesting to y'all, click the link down below and join up. But anyways, back onto the topic at hand. Meme coins are probably the easiest way to get freaking rich in crypto. Obviously, they're not like, they don't do anything. They're really just cool. You guys have probably heard of Dogecoin, Shiba, like Pepe, like all these coins don't do a freaking thing except for make people millions of dollars. I know this one dude, he's 17 years old. He goes to my gym. He bought $500 worth of Pepe very early on and it turned it into $2.7 million. Absolutely freaking crazy. I'm not going to promise you that's going to happen every single time, but I'm going to show you exactly how y'all can easily turn 1,000 into over $100,000 in 2024 doing this same exact strategy. So first off, we have to start here on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a website that basically just gives you a nice overview of everything going on in the crypto space. You can sort it by obviously the top ones. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that stuff. But these coins right here are extremely big. I don't really want to pay attention to these because in order for these to 100x, the market caps would have to be extremely high. It's very, very unlikely for any of these to 100x within any time soon. Now, if Bitcoin or Ethereum 100x's anytime soon, don't be confused when you see me buy Dubai. That's all I'm gonna say. But if you come to this section over here called memes, right? This is where meme coins are. Obviously, you see Dogecoin, you see Shiba Inu, you see Dog with Hat. This is another coin that's blown up recently. I have a friend of mine turned $10,000 into over $20,000 with this coin right here. Sorry, not 20,000, $20 million with this coin right here. So a bunch of these coins here, if you bought them early, you could have easily drastically increased your money a bunch. Like we literally just bought another meme coin. I'm going to show you guys exactly what that meme coin is. And literally within an hour, it doubled. So I'm going to show you guys that meme coin as well for you guys to look at. But the first step is to come over here on CoinMarketCap and you're going to want to go to cryptocurrencies. After that, you want to click market cap right here. Click it twice. This will sort it from the smallest ones to the biggest ones or the biggest ones to the smallest ones. I like to have it kind of at this range right here. And I like to scroll down, go a couple pages down and like to find coins within the $1 to $5 million market cap. I like to find meme coins within that kind of range here. Once I find those coins, I've already kind of gotten some up here, just examples for you guys. But once I find these coins, I'm clicking through each and every one of them and I'm going to this website called Dex Tools. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So we find the coins, we see which ones are kind of pumping. We see the numbers right now. The market is pretty much down. If you guys are looking at the market on April 2nd, the whole market's down. I'm talking stock market, crypto market. So a bunch of these are down a little bit, which is obviously a good time to buy. But you would then take any of these tickers here, go to DEX tools. Tickers is this right here, the gray letters. So Doge it'd be DOBO. You type DOBO right in here and it will bring up the chart for it. Now, this is exactly where you find the best entries. This is how you don't enter randomly and you end up holding the coin for 10 years and nothing happens with it. This strategy is what I like to call the squeeze strategy. It's super, super simple. Realistically, all it is price never goes straight up and price never goes straight down. Price always goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's how price moves on any single indice. It could be a stock, it could be a cryptocurrency, it could be anything, right? The squeeze strategy capitalizes on that because a lot of times when price goes like this, if you see a pattern here, it's making smaller points. So we draw a trend line that just touches all of these points. And then we draw another trend line on the bottom that touches all of these points. And what ends up happening is that price is squeezing into these both trend lines. And once it breaks to the upside, it breaks drastically. It breaks extremely fast. So when you see these opportunities, you need to hop on these opportunities knowing that it's going to blast out very fast. Now, I know this might look a little bit complicated, so I'm going to break it down for you guys. I'm going to show you guys it in real time. Let's delete all this off my chart. So I'm going to show you guys a real example of it. So when you come over here on DEX tools, this right here is basically the time frame. I suggest you press this 1 hour time frame right here. And then all you're going to look for is times when it's going up and down smaller kind of increments, right? So we have it going up right here. We see it going down right here. Or sorry, we see it going down here. We see it going down here. Down here again, we see it coming up here, we see it coming up here, and we see it going up here. What you notice is we're going, just like that drawing, we're going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, smaller, smaller, smaller. Now, you see once it's broken out of this line here, it broke drastically to the upside. We were able to make an insane amount of money trading with right here, waiting for it to pop out of this squeeze, I like to call it. I call it a squeeze because it's like it's squeezing out of here. So you wait for it to come and pop out of this squeeze. We were able to enter right at this squeeze right here on February 26th. And I ended up holding it until right about here. So this made 232%, which is basically more than a 3x on your money here, which is absolutely amazing in a short span of time. You can see it happen multiple times again. Same thing. So we have a high right here, a lower high right here, a lower high right here. We had that bottom part that's squeezing it. Our lines are making a triangle. That's what we want to see. The closer it gets into this triangle, the more it's going to pop out to the upside. As you see, it popped out to the upside right here, broke outside of it. Now we would enter on that breakout to the upside and we could have held it all the way up to here. We could have made an easy 67% on this trade right here very, very fast. And we didn't have to hold it through all of this foolishness. We didn't have to buy it all the way up here and wait for it to break out. We entered at the perfect time possible. And that's just one example. This is on WIF. Same thing on Pepe. If you had done this same strategy, and you'll see it a bunch of times on any of these coins right here, we have it coming up here to the upside, to the same right here to the upside, same here to the upside. Then we also have the bottom one where it bounced right here. And then it was bouncing right here as well. And then it broke out to the upside here. We could have easily bought it here, instantly made within a day or so, instantly almost doubled our money here, held it longer. And obviously this thing went a ridiculous amount up. If we held it to the top, we would have made over, like I said, 3x on our money here, over 260% on our money here. So God forbid we did it all the way down here, right? The same exact thing. And I can show you it right here where we have a trend line going just like this. And then another trend line on the bottom, just like this. It made a squeeze right here, ended up breaking it this one time, but coming back down into it, but then broke out of it again and shot up drastically. You can keep seeing this over and over again. So the first step, like I said, just as a recap, is to come on here, look for any coins within the really like the $1 to $5 million range is where you can start off at. Then you're going to want to type in that ticker symbol, which is that gray letters on the side of it, Sheeb, D-Frogs, Bozo, whatever it is, right? You want to type that into our website called dextools.io. Type it in right here. It'll bring up the chart. Go to the hourly time frame right here and wait for a squeeze setup to happen. Now, like I told you guys, we did this recently on one of the coins that I literally just had, or just sent out into CryptFi, which is where I send all of my crypto trades. Same thing happened right here. We had our bottom zone right here, and we had our top zone right here. We didn't hold it through all of this foolishness. We literally bought it right here when it broke out, instantly made a easy 65%, and then it came into another squeeze. So I'm telling you guys, I'm posting this video before this actually breaks out. This is about to break out once again. We have our zone here, another tap here. It's at that zone again. We have this same bottom zone. So when it breaks out of this one, this is going to be a huge pump to the upside that I'm personally waiting for on this coin here. And if it just reaches the last highs that it was at, that's going to be over 250% again on this specific coin right here. This coin is called Shiba Inu. It's a kind of spin-off of Shiba Inu. But team's good behind it, community's good behind it. Plus, I like the price action here. I have that squeeze setup going on. So I'm actually very excited for this coin right here. If you can master this squeeze strategy, master going on Coinbase, master pulling up the chart, and you can do this on multiple different charts at the same time, because obviously you have to wait for that setup, so you can have 10 different ones that you're waiting for. Master drawing these squeeze lines, these trend lines on the chart and waiting for it to break out. You can easily make a ridiculous amount of money. Just think about compounding 200% every single time you hop into these trades. It's an absolute game changer. This is how I've been able to make massive amounts of money in the beginning of this crypto bull cycle, and how I plan to make tens of $millions during the rest of this bull cycle. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you guys smashed the freaking like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And like I said, if you want to get access to every single one of my crypto trades right when I hop into them, before they 5, 10, 50, 100, or even 1000x, click the first link inside the description down below to join CryptFi. You'll also get access to my entire course that'll give you step-by-step guides, no matter if you're a complete beginner or not, on how to trade crypto. But if you enjoyed this video, I know you guys will enjoy this video right here. I broke down literally how I would suggest you make $500 turn into $5,000 very, very fast in this crypto bull market. So click this video right here, and I'll see you guys there.